finding the x and y-intercepts given the graph of a line on a grid. In this topic, you're going to be given a graph of a line, and you need to find the x and the y-intercepts. The x-intercept is going to be where the line hits the x-axis. So this is the x-axis. It hits the x-axis right here. This is my x-intercept. So my x-intercept is -4. Now, technically, this is the point -4, 0, but they're not going to have you enter it like that, so they're just going to have you enter the -4 part. The y-axis, or the y-intercept, is where the line hits the y-axis, which is right here. This is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 3. Now, they might switch the order of x and y on you, so when you go to enter your answers, do make sure that they haven't done a swap on you, because sometimes they'll do that, so pay attention. Okay, let's look at this one. This one looks a little different. Right here, if we try to find an x-intercept, we're going to have some trouble. Notice that this line never intersects the x-axis. There is no x-intercept for this line. You will have an option of entering none if you don't see an intercept. For the y-intercept, we're looking for where the line hits the y-axis, and it hits it right here. The y-intercept is at -1. So this is a horizontal line. Horizontal lines tend to not have x-intercepts. The only time it would have an x-intercept is if the line sat on the x-axis itself, but that's not going to happen in this problem. So horizontal lines will just have the y-intercept. This is a vertical line, and you're going to see something similar happening. For the x-intercept, we're looking for where the line hits the x-axis. So the x-axis is this guy. It hits the x-axis at 4. For the y-intercept, we're looking for where it hits the y-axis, but it doesn't hit the y-axis anywhere. It doesn't touch the y-axis. So there is no y-intercept for this one. All right, that's it. That's all you need to know for this one. There's 2 tricky scenarios, and then knowing that the x-intercept is where it hits the x-axis and the y-intercept is where it hits the y-axis. You're doing great.